How you can fix could not export video on YouTube. If you're trying to export a video or a short on YouTube, then the YouTube it's saying that it cannot export your video on YouTube. Then that is because of only one problem that you have on your phone, and that is you do not have enough storage. So you need to clear out your stuff, get rid of all of unnecessary files and folders or even apps, and then your problem should be fixed. So once you do all of that, what you can do is get to your short section, upload your short, and tap on next. And once you get here, you get an option to upload short. Just tap on it, and here after that it should start uploading. As you can see here, it's uploading right now. And now after the upload is complete, it should show up on my short section. And that's how you can fix video could not export on YouTube problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. For watching.